Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. So today I'll be showing you guys how to properly clean your AirPods. So I got the AirPods Gen 2. These are super dirty, like extremely dirty. But I'll be showing you how to properly clean them. So I have two methods. One is using this online kit that costs $10, but is amazing value and you can get all the things you need to clean your AirPods. The second method is from at-home materials and stuff like that. I won't do as good of a job, but it will clean it still. Alright, I will be starting with the kit this time. Alright, the kit is called the Rev Jams Cleaning Kit, and I'll have a link to it in the description. And it's to clean your AirPods and your headphones alike. And pretty much everything you get is you get a anti-static brush, got a microfiber cloth, you get 3 of these little bristle brushes, you get I think 10 of these foam brushes, and you get 10 of these antibacterial cleaning wipes. Also, you get a premium cleaner, and it all comes in this little carry pouch. And yeah, when you buy the more expensive pack of the Rev Jams cleaning kit, you get a hard shell protective case for your AirPods, just to keep it protected in the future, so you don't have to clean it very much. And it comes with a thing to keep it on your wrist. And it's really protective. I actually really like this case. It's really high quality, and it's not very bulky either. And also, when the lid goes back, it doesn't get stuck like a lot of those cases do. Really like this case. Also, I have a second one right here, and if you like it, I'll give it away. So just comment down below why you'd want it, and yeah, I'll give that away soon. So let's get into this. So first things first, we want to take the AirPods out of the case. Very dirty, very, very dirty. Oh man, that's so bad. Alright, well, let's do this. So first we're gonna start with the AirPods. Alright, so first things first is I'm gonna just grab this paper towel and put it on the ground right here, just to keep things off my space. Then I'm gonna take this little sprayer right here and I'm gonna spray the thing just like 2 or 3 times. And I'm going to start wiping the thing down. Alright, so that got most of the stuff off, but we are still going to need to go into the details. So we need to grab one of these little sponges. You see these little areas in here where there's still stuff in there. You just wipe that out. Just like that. You can clean all the other areas also. Can even clean in here too. Alright, so there is one clean AirPod. Put that one over here away from all the dirty stuff. Now let's go to the second AirPod. Alright, so this thing is freaking dirty. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little rough thing of just brushing this stuff off. Alright, that did an okay job. And then the next thing that I want to do is I want to grab my microfiber cloth right here, and I'm going to spray it a few times. And then I'm just going to go clean it up in these things. Just put your finger in there and just clean it out. Alright, and a really hard place to get into is down in these little areas, because oh man, that's gross down there. And this is what these little bristle things are for. So just open one, grab one of them out, and then just put these down there. Also blow on them to make sure they can get all the stuff out. Wiggle the stuff around, do all the best you can. If there's stuff at the bottom, get this little sponge, it'll pick stuff up. Alright, pretty clean. Alright, now for the other side. Alright, we got all that nasty stuff off there now. Now, what you want to do is grab your microfiber cloth. This is after you've gotten all the main grime off. Open it up and just clean off the whole AirPod itself. Just do your best. And then if you have anything in the port, you can use this little cleaner and it'll clean it out real nicely. You can also do like the details. You can sponge out this stuff. The best way to clean these little bits right here is just to get all the metallic stuff away from it. That worked pretty well. Alright, now I promised I would show a second method of how to clean it. It may not work quite as effectively, but you still can try. So pretty much this is just from at-home materials and stuff like that. So get all this good cleaner stuff away. And the only at-home materials I could honestly think that could help you clean is some paper towels, some toothpicks, and some rubbing alcohol. I'll be cleaning a different pair of AirPods this time. So I got my AirPods Gen 1 with their case, with their little thing on it. And so pretty much what you do is you do a lot of the same thing as you take the AirPods out. You want to put the rubbing alcohol on the paper towel. You gotta be careful with this stuff. If you do too much of it, it could like degrade the plastic a little bit. And you just clean out the things. Just clean out the AirPods, disinfect them, clean out this stuff. Doesn't work quite as effectively, but I mean, it's all I got when I'm at home. And then I think one of the best tools for at home is just using a toothpick. Clean out all this good stuff. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, and if you'd like to pick up your own RevJams kit, the link will be in the description. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.